Hey Figma fans and us, want to see how a clean Figma design becomes production ready code in minutes? Today, I will show you exactly how we do that. Want to know? Watch till the end of this video. No fluff, just design, code magic. Before getting into the video, I would like to introduce myself. I am Mahit and I help bridge design to development. No time to waste. Get back to the tutorial.
This is the documentation for the Figma dev mode setup. You have already know about the dev mode. They have actually introduced another feature for MCP. They have the support for the MCP right now. It is in beta stage, but guys, trust me guys, it is actually a good support by the Figma. Now you can convert any Figma designs to production ready code within minutes. It would usually cost days. It's a great change. I hope you guys will try it out soon. Before that, I will give you a brief about what you need before using the MCP server. You need to have the latest version of the Figma desktop and also have to yourself a Figma design, or if you can either create or you can also you can open a Figma design file. I have used a Figma design file that was found from the internet itself. And guys, we can hop on to the dev mode setup. So this is a design I am using for the vibe coding setup. So first of all, you need to ensure that MCP server is on. The MCP server support is enabled in this Figma desktop app. So open the Figma desktop app. After that, you need to ensure that it is on the enabled mode. So after that, you need to pick up on the image source, whether the image should be from a URL or it should be like a SVG view format. If you use the placeholder, it will return the images of each components and assets as SVGs rather than giving out the URLs that is from this whole MCP server setup. So I would suggest you guys to use the placeholder setup and get into the dev setups. So in this documentation, it is given that how to set up this MCP's client in your particular ID. See that the ID which I am using is VS Code. So in VS Code, you need to go to the settings and just type it out MCP. I will give you a quick workaround of that. We can open the MCP. Open the preferences, then settings, then type it out MCP. You can see the MCP is enabled, but you need to add the MCP server settings for the Figma MCP server. So as you can see, this is the settings of the MCP server. You need to put this out, edit this out by Ctrl Shift P and add new server config. Just follow through this setup and get back to your VS Code. So I have just set it up. As you can see in the server's key, I have this value and it is already running. If you want to start, if it is not running, there will be a start option. You can use that. After that, if you need to stop it, you can use this option, and if you need to restart, you can this option. So so how to convert a Figma design to the production code after this. So I have using this Figma design. As you can see, this design is about a music stream web app. You can clearly see that I have just given a simple prompt like I want a music streaming web app made with. You need to specify which tech stack it should be followed. After that, you need to point out the Figma design of that particular page or the particular component it should clone in the code base. So since I am actually creating this entire code base from the scratch, I am just saying that you need to follow the particular Figma design, and the Figma design link should also be provided. So what is this Figma design link? If you need to clone this entire web page, you need to select that frame and right click on it, and you can find a option for copy link to selection. Copy that URL, and after that move on to the VS Code and paste it out. Remember you guys, most of the times the Figma server works. Sometimes it needs to be called like that. You need to use the Figma MCP server. If you guys are using the small LLM models, you need to specify what are the tools you need to use in this agentic iteration, and also make sure that you are in the agentic mode of the extension. And once again guys, most of the times you need to use the get code tool of the MCP server and the get image of the MCP server, get image and the get code. So as you can see, the LLM also correctly calling the correct tools that require for the dev setup. So hope you guys understand and will use these prompt tips in your vibe coding session. As you can see, it will be running the necessary tools to get the image. This get image tool will capture the image, required image of the design, that will help the LLM to understand more about the design. It will relate the every layout of the assets and the alignment, and after that it will use the get code functionality of this MCP server to generate the code from that design itself. As you can see, the MCP server returns the entire code required for this web page, and after using that web page, it has successfully given us commands for creating this project, and created many files and design files for this entire conversion of the Figma design to the production code. As you can see that I have already ran a agentic iteration which actually give me this production ready code. I agree the fact that it haven't given us the complete code for this design. Something are missing out, but most of the things are correctly aligned. That's the main thing in the front-end development. The alignment issues are the main thing we mostly encounter. Trust me guys, this is the best tool to ship your design to your UIs in just minutes. Also, note that you should have some knowledge about the tech stack you are using, or you need some more iterations. So I am just wrapping out with this single agentic iteration. Go through this documentation. They have also mentioned about the best practices for the creating the best Figma files for creating the better code from this MCP servers, and also for the effective prompts. LLMs actually work as a sequential manner, so you need to work on component wise rather than the entire page. I would recommend you guys to go through this documentation, and also remember to follow this practice. Use get code and get image. Explicitly mention in the prompt that get code and get tool or usage of the Figma MCP server if the LLM you are using is a bit less intelligent. And also I would suggest you guys to sequentially build out the design rather than completely asking the LLM to generate the complete code. So that's it guys. I hope this video helpful for you. We will catch you in the next video. Bye. Oh, wait. If you like this video, give me a sub, like, comment, and share it with your dev friends. Bye guys. Alvida. I hope